For this video, I'm going to take you on a hiking tour of the Cape Shore Trail located in Bonavista, Newfoundland. Well, I decided to check out another hiking trail up here in Newfoundland. This particular island is just incredible when it comes to natural beauty and all the coastlines and like all the rock formations. I recently posted a video about the Johnson Geo Center and how the topography and geology of Newfoundland is really unique and beautiful. And this is just another demonstration of what you're looking at. There's just so many picturesque locations when it comes to the seashore and, you know, these old style fishing villages. And it's just incredible for somebody who grew up, you know, in the city to see all this natural splendor. Now, when I was filming this video, obviously it's in the off season. I have a feeling if you were to come in peak season, which is usually the summertime, this trail would probably be a lot more populated and busy. You can still see there are people, you know, walking by here doing like their cardio and jogging runs and that type of stuff. So there's still a couple people on the trail, but it was pretty, you know, quiet the day I went. I'm here filming, I think it was November, so the weather was still reasonable enough to go outside. You know, once you get to like January and February, Newfoundland gets a little rough when it comes to the length of daylight, as well as it gets really cold up here. I mean, let's face it, I'm in Canada, so their winters are known for being pretty extreme. And the day I was walking around here, it was only about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So it was pretty chilly and brisk. And with the wind coming in off the ocean, it was definitely a challenge. Now, this Cape Shore Trail is actually located pretty close to the Bonavista Lighthouse, which is like a provincial park. There's also a landfall park that's also nearby, and that has a big statue of Cabot, who is the explorer that actually discovered Newfoundland, and I believe that happened in, I want to say 1597, something like that. But this is just, you know, there's not much to the Cape Shore Trail, as you can see. It's just a walking path that kind of walks across the coast. And you also can access like the shore itself. You just kind of walk down the embankment, and it's really rocky, so you probably want to wear some good hiking boots, or sneakers at least. I saw a couple people out here with flip-flops, and they obviously didn't dare to walk down to the rocky shore, because that's a little challenging, and if you're going to wear flip-flops, you're probably going to twist your ankle going down there. For those of you who aren't familiar with the island of Newfoundland, Bonavista is on the north side of the island. It's about a 3.5-hour drive from St. John's, where I flew in. And St. John's is the capital city in Newfoundland, so most of the flights in and out of the island are to St. John's, although there's a couple other airports. You could also come in through Gander if you want to explore Bonavista. That's probably about the same amount of time when it comes to driving to Bonavista. Bonavista itself is a nice little fishing village, and there are quite a few really nice tourist attractions located here. There was the Matthew Legacy tall ship, and you know, several other fun little museums. Keep in mind, if you're planning to take a vacation to Bonavista, you really are going to have the best experience if you come in the summertime. That's when most of the attractions are open. I was here in the winter months, so a lot of the attractions that I kind of wanted to see, I sort of missed out. The time of year where you come to visit Newfoundland is going to definitely impact which attractions you can actually see. Now, when it comes to the attractions that I recommend the most here in Bonavista, I think the Dungeon Provincial Park is definitely worth traveling a long distance for. That was just an incredible outdoor experience. One of the nicest parks I've ever seen. If you're looking for great, opportunities for photography, you can get just amazing photographs of the shoreline and those, legendary rock formations that Newfoundland is known for. I believe they filmed portions of the Justice League movie as well as Aquaman in the Dungeon Provincial Park. All the scenes with Aquaman, where he's in the fishing village, that was filmed here in Newfoundland. So it's a very scenic, picturesque place, and there's a reason why they film movies here. And now the Cape Shore Trail is one of the scenic trails available here in Newfoundland. I don't think it's quite as picturesque as the Discovery Trail, which is located on another portion of the island. I believe the Discovery Trail is probably superior when it comes to photography. However, I believe if you're just here to hike or do cardio or exercise, I think that the Cape Shore Trail is probably the better bet because it's more level and easier to walk. Another thing that you can do here in Bonavista is there are several boat charters that will go out and take you to whale watch. Some of them are the Discovery Sea Adventures, as well as the Seize the Day boat tours. So there's multiple operators out there, and they're all pretty good when it comes to chartering a boat to see that. I know a lot of people come to Newfoundland to do whale watching or watching the icebergs pass by. This place is kind of infamous, notorious, because the Titanic hit the iceberg right off the coast of Newfoundland and sank like about 400 miles away from St. John's. Well, those are all my thoughts on the Cape Shore Trail. For the rest of this video, I'm just going to play some music.